In this video I'll show you and teach you how to make $200 to $1,000 online simply by reading words. It's completely free and effective all over the world. I will reveal all the necessary information and a step-by-step strategy, so you can start earning immediately after watching this video. You'll be sorry if you close this video and miss out on this opportunity. Before we go to this video, welcome to Socio Media, where we teach you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and press the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now first of all, I will show you how much money you can make just by reading. I'm really excited because this opportunity will provide you so much money just by reading. I'll show you exactly how it works, and you won't need any previous experience, technical knowledge or certifications to execute it. Look at this $1,000 for 30 minutes or up to 45 minutes. Imagine working for 1 hour and earning $1,000. I'll show you how to do it, but you must watch the entire video, because I'll show you a few tactics and how to join up, get accepted, and make more money, even if you spend the least amount of time. Because many people do it incorrectly, and as a result, they don't make any money. So first and foremost, go to voices.com. You'll notice that they've been featured on Microsoft, Shopify, Discovery Channel, Los Angeles Times. Once you get to this page, there are a lot of huge brands and companies that are undoubtedly legit, so they are gonna pay out to people every day. We'll get all the payments through PayPal, a check, or a direct deposit into your bank account. So there are a lot of different options and it works in different countries. Basically, these websites gives me a lot of different projects from different categories, and I'll show you which ones pay you the most. So once you've chosen your preferred project, they'll provide you the script, the templates, the book, and all of the words. You'll read word to word and you have to record your voice, then they'll pay you based on the length of the project. You may do it for 20 minutes or an hour, whatever it is, because these platforms have endless work. There are a lot of websites out there where you can do some jumps, but they are not consistent. However, on voices.com, there are so many categories and jobs that you can choose from. Even if you only have 5 minutes a day, or only have 15 or 30 minutes, you can still choose from a variety of options. You can do it and earn all of this money by reading. The second problem is, what if you don't have a microphone? But all you need is a basic earphone. You can use your iPhone, you can use your Android phone, you can record your voice by speaking on your phone. And you don't have to show your face or your identity. They will only utilize your voice on the ebook, audiobook, TV and videos. And they want to hire people like you and me to read all of these words. We don't have to write anything, all we have to do is read all of the books and scripts that they offer us. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up, and if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. So now, click on the sign up button. Once you click on it, you'll see two options: find work as a talent and hire talent for your projects. In this case, we are going to find work as a talent to read out those words. We'll choose the second option and provide our name, email address, phone number and a username. You can add whatever you want. All you have to do is agree to the terms and conditions and click the continue button. Or you can use your Google account. So, if you sign up for a free account, your dashboard will show you a variety of jobs. For example, learning, explainer videos, cartoons, audiobooks, digital advertising and video games. They all be accessed after you log in. There are numerous categories to choose from. I'm going to show you which categories have the most occupations, which are extremely suited for any beginners and will work in various countries. Now the first category you should choose is audiobooks. The second category, explainer videos, which will pay you the second most amount of money. And the third category, video games, will pay you the third most amount of money. So I'm going to concentrate on audiobooks, explainer videos, and video games, because they're the top 3 categories with the most employment and the greatest money for the least amount of time invested. We are going to select audiobooks, which will open a new page with some instances of people working online from all over the world. who are generating money at voices.com, and they're both men and women from various nations. You can see the language section, and you can see that they accept people who want to read online from all over the world, including the United Kingdom, North America, and India. They still want to hire you, so it doesn't matter from where you are, they have jobs for you. You can start reading online on voices.com by reading those scripts and getting paid based on the hours that you work. If you want to make more money, we'll choose a job that lasts at least 45 minutes so that you get paid $1,000 every time. Now, I will show you some of the work options that are accessible once you log in. As you can see here, there are a lot of occupations that you can participate in. They'll keep refreshing this page every day, so you can keep signing in and check which ones you prefer. As I previously stated, the most popular category for voices.com is audiobooks. When you finish reading those books, you'll be given all of the scripts and templates. All you have to do now is read them and record them using your phone. And you'll be paid $1,000. They'll show you who the client is, what their age is, whether they're male or female, and some of the work duties they expect you to perform. So if you download their apps from the Google Play Store or the App Store for your iPhone, this is what it'll look like. They'll provide you with a script to use when recording with your phone. You have the option of recording your voice. This app is available on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. Voices.com is a good place to start. You can get it for free and start working on it right now. And that's it for today. If you love similar content, take a look at my other videos, and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video. Cheers.